Alert Center in ExactVision 26.0. Introducing the new Alert Center in the ExactVision mobile app, your central hub for managing notifications and responding to events quickly. With Alert Center, you get actionable awareness, respond to events directly from your mobile device. Improved workflow, alerts are grouped, filtered, and prioritized for quick decision making. Always accessible, the alerts page is available immediately upon app launch. Reduced response time, tap to playback and event navigation, streamlined incident review. To view alerts, simply select the Alerts tab. You'll see previous notifications, including access control, intrusion, analytics, and video push. The Alert Center displays a scrollable, categorized list of past notifications, including event monitoring alerts, video push requests, system and device alerts. Alerts are grouped by type, video motion, analytics, video loss, trigger, and settings. Visual indicators highlight priority, and notifications are sorted so app updates always appear at the top, followed by high-priority events. From the Alerts tab, you can filter by all, unread, video push, or events. View system and device alerts. Mark all as read, delete, or clear notifications. Tap thumbnails to jump to playback or event details. The new Alert Center, organized, actionable, and always at your fingertips.